Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot. It's time for your love bite. And these are general collective readings, Aquarius, will not resonate with all of you. Keep that in mind, take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, bless this reading for Aquarius. Send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Aquarius, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And yes, if you're new here, do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Alright, so here I have the King of Cups, Queen of Wands, Six of Wands, the Emperor, Nine of Pentacles, Page of Swords, Seven of Pentacles, the Empress, and the Knight of Wands. Lot of confusion here, Aquarius. Lot of confusion, a lot of delay going on as well. What was supposed to be a beautiful match with the King of Cups and the Queen of Wands, maybe this King of Cups was a bit emotionally manipulative. Things are not feeling that great right now because I think this King of Cups has turned into a bit of a control freak here, or did in the past, I don't know. But whatever said and done, there is no victory right now in this connection. Now somebody is spying, somebody is keeping a watch, but there is, the Empress is still in the upright. The Empress is now glowing, is looking away from this connection, at least looking away, I think, from this Emperor who they feel is a troublemaker in their life. I don't know what's happening here, Aquarius. Still I don't clarify these cards. I'm going to start with the dialogue message cards first, get the ball rolling, and then we'll clarify all these cards to see what the actual story is. So Aquarius and their person, spirit. Aquarius and their person, they could say something to each other. Aquarius and their person, thank you. And a few from here, Aquarius. Aquarius and their person. Okay. And I'm going to take a couple more from the messages from the heart. Aquarius and their person. That should be good. Let's begin your reading, Aquarius. So the first card here says, I wish that you could love yourself the way that I love you. I had to lose myself to learn to love myself unconditionally, so then you could learn to do the same. I'm now shining brighter, and I have faith that you will one day see the true love and light within you as I do. See, like I said, there's a Queen of Wands here who is now becoming the Empress, shining brighter than ever before, whereas I see a King of Cups here who maybe was a bit emotionally manipulative. They did have love in their heart probably, but maybe had difficulty in showing it, and they turned into an Emperor in reverse, which is a control freak, somebody who's always kind of wanting it their way and trying to be bossy or whatever. So here's the complaint here. You knowingly brought me into a clusterfuck of a situation. I trusted you to do what was right, and you let me down. I just want to see you and begin our life together, but these financial challenges are currently stopping us from being together. Who would have thought that something as simple as money could keep people who love each other this much apart? So there is some delay going on. I don't know whether it's money related. We'll figure it out when we clarify the cards. Whether we are together or when we are apart, you're always in my thoughts and forever in my heart. Like I said, the love was there, maybe can be there, but somebody was very immature. I mean, this masculine energy, I think, was very, very unsteady, and life is too short to keep your feelings to yourself. I cannot stay silent any longer with these words hidden inside my heart and soul because they want to burst out of my chest and my mouth. I love you. Maybe they never were able to show their emotions. This is an emotionally closed off person. and appeared to be like because they were not emotionally open, they ended up being the Emperor in reverse. But the Empress is still upright. When you're away from me, I feel loneliness in my heart. I can't stop missing you and loving you. I need you here with me. Yes, like I said, somebody is still kind of keeping an eye, watching, seeing what their person is up to, seeing how this Empress is, I think. I want to spend the rest of my life loving you. I'm working through issues with my family. So maybe a lot of people here in this mix here, Aquarius, maybe family members or siblings, parents who have, contributed to this, whatever's going on here. So let's start clarifying these cards. But before that, I am going to take an angel blessing card, Aquarius, to see if my angels can help here with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Stress management. All right, maybe somebody is stressed out because there's some delay going on in your connection here, Aquarius. So take care of yourself, do some yoga, take a few walks, anything that can, kind of de-stress you from whatever's going on here. So now let's see what is really going on. So what's this King of Cups spirit? King of Cups? This person was very egoistic. That's the problem. This King of Cups, even though they may have had love in their heart, they were always fluctuating. Sometimes they would show love, sometimes they'd pull back, maybe because their ego and pride was too strong, and that kind of disrupted this foundation between two people. Queen of Wands spirit, Queen of Wands. Yes, this Queen of Wands has decided now to bring in some stagnancy or a halt to the situation, because maybe this Queen of Wands feels that there is no victory to be had here. I'm dealing with a person who's a control freak, who's a magician, who's a trickster, who only shows me illusions and brings nothing to the table. So I think this Queen of Wands has now picked up her wand to say, I'll decide now. I'm not going to deal with anyone who's going to be an illusionist or a trickster in my life. Six of Wands spirit, Six of Wands, Six of Wands. Yes, I think this Queen of Wands is deciding there is no victory to be had in this connection, kind of lost the love here and not even willing now to fight for this connection anymore. They feel their partner was a false emperor, a person who was a control freak, always like trying to be pretending to be stronger than they were. The Emperor spirit in reverse. Emperor in reverse. This Queen of Wands feels that this Emperor never brought any kind of stability to their life. And I think that's an active decision now that's being made, I think, by the feminine here, that I don't want to now grow with this person anymore. So what's this Nine of Pentacles then, Spirit? Why is the Nine of Pentacles in reverse? There is a bit of delay going on, but somebody is trying very hard now, maybe through legal matters or somehow to bring justice back to their life. They don't want to spend the rest of their life in regret and sorrow and always feeling bad. They're trying to pull themselves out of a situation which they feel is not going to grow. They were dealing with somebody who was not maybe right for them, or now maybe the love is lost because of this masculine's behavior. Now when I say masculine, feminine, Aquarius, I don't mean the man is bad and the woman is good. Whoever's embodying the masculine energy, I'm just reading two energies here, right? Sometimes I could be embodying my masculine side more than my feminine side, so I would be in my masculine self, right? So you would know, if this is your story, you would know which side you're on. Page of Swords spirit, Page of Swords. Whoever this King of Cups is, who is behaving badly or behaving like the Emperor in reverse, they do have some toxic behavior. I think they're also kind of attached to this feminine quite a bit. they secretly do have love for this feminine, and I don't think they've kind of let go yet. They're still obsessing, still watching, still carrying that hidden love in their heart, I think, which they've never been either able to show, or maybe their own toxic behavior on the outside has disrupted this relationship. Seven of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. They are seeing now that the feminine is no longer interested in them, maybe is holding back from them, no longer wanting to invest in this connection, and this masculine may be now thinking of if there is any possibility of coming forward with an apology or a love offer or something, because they find their feminine holding back now. But this feminine has now become stronger than ever. From the Queen of Wands, they've elevated to being the Empress. And now I think they look at this masculine as very immature for them, or a troublemaker. Empress, Spirit, what does the Empress want to say here? What does the Empress want to say here? The Empress says, I am not interested in a reconciliation. In fact, this relationship has been that stressful for me. I am getting out of this connection now. I can't be in a place where I'm always in a self-imposed prison, always thinking, always worrying. I'm releasing all this toxicity from my life. I am not looking for a reconciliation with this past person. What I really need in my life is somebody to be my emperor to my empress. This was an emperor in reverse. I'm looking for an equal partner, somebody who's going to give me equal give and take. They feel that the past person, the one they're trying to leave behind, was very immature. Why is that, Spirit? Knight of Wands in reverse. Knight of Wands in reverse. This Empress feels I was the only one who had to carry all the burden in this connection. I had to always be the strong one in this connection. I was the one carrying all the weight in this connection. It was almost like I was mothering this past person of mine who was very immature, never took responsibility of anything, always gave me a lot of stress. And yes, I am on my way to manage my stress now by moving on, maybe away from this person. So what's the Seven of Cups, Spirit, which is the underlying energy in this connection? Yes, they are checking their other options out. I think this feminine is now out to be single, abundant, beautiful, looking like the Empress, and maybe on their way to now check out new options, moving on to finding that stable ground that they've always wanted, which was never given by this past person. They are going forward to their wish fulfillment here because they've really elevated now. When you grow into empresshood, you kind of become the high priestess, where you listen to your intuition and get guided to the correct path of your life. Right? So yes, that's what I have for you here, Aquarius. Let me know if that worked for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.